Hey, and welcome back to Borsellino Carpentry. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about, again, unemployment with part-time work. I missed my video for this week on Monday, so I'm a little late on that. But because I'm late, I actually have 2 weeks that I can report on now to you guys. So the last video I did, I had worked 1 day and they docked 25% of my unemployment, but I still got the 600 bonus. So the following week, I worked 2 days, and again, I made $0. I just told them I worked 2 days. I've been working on like getting the business stuff up and running, getting the truck back on the road, and all sorts of stuff like that, doing some projects around my own house. And so I said I worked 2 days that week, and then last week I said that I worked 3 days. And exactly 25% is what they took out every week for each additional. So for easy math, if it was $200, if you work 1 day, then you only get $175. If you work 2 days, you only get $100. If you work 3 days, you only get $50. If you work 4 days, $0 or more. Anything over 4 days you work, you lose your unemployment. And that also means you would lose the 600 bonus. So I'm not sure how this week's gonna go so far. I have not worked 4 days. It's Wednesday when I'm recording this. So there hasn't even been 4 days yet. I'm not sure what's gonna happen, how it's gonna play out. I did this week go to 2 jobs not at my house. So this was the first time that I've worked off premises of where I live and my central business location. And it wasn't terrible, but it was definitely, there was definitely a level of anxiety with me and the clients and everybody trying to figure out if we're, socially distancing and the masks, and, even if they're not in the room with me, I got my mask on. I'm in people's houses, right, working. So I've just kept my mask on while I'm working, and when I'm done, using cleaning wipes and sanitizing everything, and it's just added a whole nother level of whatever to the job. And there's a lot of people that have been dealing with this all along, and so they're kind of used to it, and I give them credit for it. And for people like me who are just kind of like getting back into work life, it's definitely weird. It's different. I haven't really done much of anything other than go to the grocery store for the last 4 months, and now to go into somebody's home is just like feels really strange to me. So anyway, so that is the week's update as far as unemployment goes. And as I said, the business is back up and running. I'm not taking on any additional work because I already have like a 2-year wait list. So I've been getting calls. I can't take any more on. So right now I'm finishing up a bathroom we were in the middle of when the coronavirus thing came to a halt. Everything got shut down, so we're back there finishing that up. And then I've got a big outdoor project to do, which is going to be next. But I was hesitant to get started on a big outdoor project when I knew I had this one waiting, and we were just waiting for the clear to get in this house. So I'm glad I did that. So now we're back in there finishing that up, and yeah, so that's Borsellino Carpentry this week, and hope y'all are being safe out there. Take care of each other. See ya.